Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add glitter to your photos. You'll just need three things. Two photos, one you wish to glitterize, one of glitter, and you also need Photoshop, which can be virtually any version. And that's it. Let's get started. Alright, hi guys, welcome to my Photoshop studio, which should look suspiciously similar to yours. Except I have this really rad photo by Soren, so Soren, thank you so much for submitting this. It's going to be really fun to work with. Over here I have the source photo, and I have the glitter, which is just hidden for the moment. First step is to just decide what you're going to work with. And I think in this photo, I'm going to work with the undershirt. I think it'll look really nice, really cool and poppy with these checkered coveralls. Just make sure that you've resized whatever glitter source you're pulling from so it reads well on either the garment or, for example, if I was doing hair, I would make it much smaller so the glitter particles would be really fine. But I think that this is going to read well with the shirt. So we can just check with opacity over here, make sure that it's going to cover everything we want to glitterize, and it looks like we're good. At this point, on the glitter layer, you're going to add a layer mask. And I'm going to assume for this video that you guys either really know your way around Photoshop or you just plain don't. And so for both purposes, I'm going to just be extremely simplistic. So we have our layer mask and it is white. At this point, I just want you to remember white reveals and black conceals. So as you can see, white reveals and we can see the glitter. First step we're going to do is grab the paintbrush. We have black highlighted here, click on it, and it's gone because black conceals. Now, zooming in, toggle to B for your brush. And if we were to paint right now, nothing's going to happen because you're already concealing what is already concealed. So toggle using X to select white over here. You can just toggle like that. And at this point, you can paint with the glitter. And you could do that throughout this whole piece. You could zoom in and make it really fine and go through that whole process, but I really just think there's a better way. For this particular piece, because we have a really nice contrast on the edge right here. So clicking on Soren, we're going to go to the quick selection and just click and see what we get, and that selection looks really super. If we were to select on the black tiles here, I'll show you real quick, it has no clue what you're going after. Again, make sure you're on this layer, get that selection, go back to the layer mask, and from here, since white is there, we're going to make visible, ta-da, and that just saved us so much work, and I think it looks really good. You might have some instances like this that you'll need to touch up, that's no problem. So toggle with B again to your brush, and X to go back to black. We want to hide this bit of glitter, and that looks pretty good. And just to get this idea sort of more concrete, let's go back to the quick selection, back to the Soren layer, and see what we get over here. I think that looks great. Back to glitter, back to white using the paint tool, and that's starting to look really good. I'm going to paint with black to get rid of this little spillage going on right here. There's some down here. Okay. All right, guys, let's start on the second photo. Thank you so much to Juan for sending this in. The only difference I have going on with this photo is two glitter layers. I resized the one for the glasses to be a bit smaller so that the pixels and the glitter will read a little bit better on the smaller frames. And then I have the glitter layer for the hat already resized and adjusted too. And we're going to conceal it. And we're going to go to the background layer that actually has the pixels with the hat on it. I'm going to quick selection it. I just made that a verb. So you can see that it selected some of his finger, his hair, a bunch of other things. You can hit Alt to adjust that selection and click and hold while you're going around and trimming that. Okay, go back to the hat layer mask. Switch to white. Ta-da! Okay, moving on to the glasses. We're going to create a layer mask, paint it black, zoom in. So we're going to just paint with this one. So I'm going to take a couple seconds. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, well, you just turned his glasses into sunglasses. And I'm so glad you noticed that. Just because I really want to show you another little tip / trick. So we could totally keep his frames now shades this way. And I actually think it looks pretty cool. But if you go over here to the blending mode and you were to select, let's do overlay. Now you can see through the glasses. They're more translucent. So this is a really good tip if you have like a glass of water, the ocean, or anything that you want to read as translucent. And if you're not really sold on this effect, just toggle around. So this is a good concept. If you think that, not really the effect, you can also go over to opacity and show the same kind of deal. I think another one for opaqueness looks really good with hard light. So this is the second photo. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video today. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this in the future, press subscribe. I plan on uploading weekly how-to photography videos for the rest of the summer. And if you stayed around until the end of the video, you can comment lobster in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you, bye! This room looks so dark and cryptic now. Hi guys, editing Zach here. I forgot to mention, I almost forgot what I forgot. If you like the edits and you decide to put them on Instagram, you should tag me because I want to put a couple of you on my Instagram story. Okay, have a good day. Bye.